Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Teacher Michael and this is the Profile Critique Series, Episode 5. In today's episode, I'm going to be critiquing the photos and videos of two VIPKid teachers. And I want to just get straight into the video, so roll intro. Today, I'm going to be critiquing the profiles of two VIPKid teachers, Teacher Jodie and Teacher Jean. Today's episode was brought to you by the letter J. Let's start with Jodie, and I'd like to begin by looking at her profile photo. This is Jodie's photo, and as far as I'm concerned, this ticks all of the right boxes as far as profile photos are concerned. It's crisp, it's clear, she is the only person in the photo, she's filling the whole frame, she's not sitting way down here. She's the most prominent part of this photo, which is fantastic. The lighting is great, she's smiling, she looks friendly and approachable. This honestly ticks all of the right boxes. I really don't have anything to say except excellent work, Jodie. Let's take a look at Jodie's video.
Hi, I'm Teacher Jodie. Pleased to meet you. I can't wait to see you in the classroom.
Okay, there it is, short and sweet. This video is 20 seconds long. The first thing that struck me about this video was the location. Location, location, location. It is so important. This video did not take place in the classroom, and I really think that it should. I do appreciate the creativity of, rolling into the frame and rolling out of the frame and all of that kind of stuff, but these kids are going to be meeting you in your classroom, so I think it's really important to represent that in your video. The other thing that I noticed was with the photos kind of popping into the frame and out of the frame, my attention was kind of more on the photos going back and forth than it was on Jodie. And that's not necessarily ideal. All of the VIPKid profiles, they create room for you to show off your photos. They have room for your profile photo and two lifestyle photos. And I would just let your photos live there, not in the video. In these videos, I think you, as the teacher, should be the star. You should be there front and center. I don't necessarily want to be looking back and forth between photos and also trying to listen and understand what you're saying and get a sense of your personality. It's a little bit too much to take in at once. So if I had two suggestions for you, I would take the video, take all of that same energy, which was really good. Your speaking speed and pace was perfect. I would take that energy, put it into a classroom environment, get rid of those photos, and reshoot your video. If you do all of those things, I really do think that you're going to see just more conversion, more students wanting to book classes with you. And ultimately, that is the goal of this series. So great job, Jodie. You have a lot of the foundational things there. I would just make a few of those little tweaks and see what happens. Thank you so much for your submission. And now let's move on to the second J. I'm talking about Teacher Jean. And let's begin by looking at Jean's profile photo. And here it is. 1 second. Jean, it's a great photo. It's just so small. I don't know if this was just the file that I received from you, but I think this serves as a good reminder to all teachers that your photo should be maximum resolution and size. We don't want to end up with a small photo like this that gets really pixelated when you try to blow it up. I guess I can get rid of these eyes. Double check the size and the resolution of your photo. Make sure that everything is set to maximum. Apart from that, it's a wonderful photo. I mean, I love photos that have a very clean and clear background, and this certainly does. All white is a great choice. It's nice and friendly, it's bright, it's warm, it's inviting. Those are all of the things that you want in a profile photo. So I would just go back, double check the resolution, make sure that you uploaded the correct file, the maximum sized file, and you should be good. Now let's take a look at Jean's video.
Hello, my name is Teacher Jean, and this is Sharky. Hello.
Okay, right off the bat, I'm like, yes, I love this. This goes back to that point about location, location, location. This is the ideal location for a video. This classroom environment looks just so friendly. It's so friendly and inviting. And of course, I love the Sharky puppet. That is incredible. So already within the first 5 seconds, we're like, bam, off to a good start. I want to be in that classroom. Let's continue.
We like to have fun learning English and playing games in the classroom. Come join us.
Okay, it's nice, it's fun. Okay. So at this point in time, I'm thinking it's going a little bit long. Actually, why don't I take a second to clarify this, because I've talked about length a bunch of different times in different ways. I don't have a problem with a video being 45 seconds, but I think if too much time goes by without hearing from the teacher, without hearing their voice or watching them teach something, I think it's easy for parents and kids to lose interest at that point. So this teaching part, this little montage, I do like it, but I just think it could be tightened up a little bit, just shortened.
I will see you in my classroom. Bye.
Awesome. Like, technically, this video is perfect. The lighting is great. The background is great. The sound is perfect. There's nothing wrong with any of the technical elements. I think the pacing and the flow of it is really nice. Jean is speaking slowly and clearly.
My name is Teacher Jean, and this is Sharky.
It's super easy to understand her and pay attention to what she wants us to pay attention to. So everything like that is working great. I would just, if it was me, shorten up that montage a little bit and away you go. But overall, I would say 2 thumbs up and an A+. And that brings us to the end of episode 5. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to continue to see these types of videos from me. That's really the best way to make sure you don't miss out on these videos. Hit the subscribe button, ding the notification bell, and until the next video, I will see you on the internet. Peace! Yeah.